has been so incredible. Aside from learning everything, event planning, wedding planning, and to successfully, help myself start a business, it has opened my eyes to a lot of other opportunities out there. Everything that goes into it, you go into a school like this thinking that you're just going to kind of get a little piece of the puzzle out of it, but it really opened my eyes to so much more, and I honestly didn't realize how much it was going to benefit me and how much I've learned and the people I've met and internships, the opportunities that I've had.
Hi, my name is Tatiana Mateo. So I'm a certified wedding and event planner, and that's my story. I was very enthusiastic about that because I always wanted to do something with organization and design.
My name is Abby Carter. I am a student of, past student of Lovegevity. I love the camaraderie. You learn a lot of things as far as contracts and, just putting your business out there with advertising and marketing. So because of that class, I got a lot of more experience on how to market myself, how to market my business, and a little more professional, I should say.
Based upon Kevin's experience and his reputation in the industry, who better to learn from but the master?
Being celebrity event planner, high-end, high profile. I read his bio and everything, and he did not disappoint me. Every single experience is just genuine and very high level.
I thought it was impossible to be in the luxury wedding and event business. I had no idea what to do, where to get started. And after hearing Kevin Lee talk, and I understand it, and it's not that hard. You just have to know your market, you have to know what you're talking about, and then you just have to go out there and do it.
This is what makes luxury weddings right here. The color itself.
That wedding, it was a $2 million wedding. It was 700 people. It was a 2-day event. It was definitely a lot of managing, a lot of planning, coordination around that. But it was an honor to do that because as an intern, as Brittany and I got handpicked to basically run a section of the wedding. That's a big deal. Like when you're, doing this for the first time. And so from there, I stuck behind and I got to work side by side with Kevin that night, watching this being put together. That is a giant half dome fully flowered backdrop with the chuppah on the top for the ceremony site. And that was a catwalk, a raised catwalk. It was phenomenal.
I feel honored and privileged to have been part of this amazing course.
I had a really good experience. I picked up a lot. I would not trade this for anything.
Starting from the staff signing up, it was a great process. The teachers were absolutely great. We loved them. They were great.
I recommend the course for anybody who is looking to get into wedding planning or floral design. It's really inspiring.
I cannot tell you what an amazing journey this has been so far.
I think it's amazing. It's an experience you really can't replace.
Started where I am now, and he continued to work his way up. He really gave me a lot of value on how to do it in the real world, how to price my services in the real world. He gave me encouragement with a lot of things that I was doing. I didn't know if I was doing them right.
It's just so inspiring to be in such a gorgeous place with all of these connections that you make and relationships that you form with people that want to do the same thing and build you up. I mean, it just catapults you to that next level.
It absolutely was motivating. It gives you a big picture. It gives you what to look forward to. You could have the luxury weddings. You are capable of that and much more.
And every penny is worth it. I would highly recommend this 2-day masterclass to anyone.
At the end of our course, we were able to go out and actually do one of the events with her. After that, I got called to do other events, and every time it was always with somebody that I really admire. I'm so glad that I took the course because without it, I don't think I would have met everybody. It was a great course. It helped me in the career that I'm in, and I love what I do.
Always learn from the best.
Condividi il Lovegevity.
Share the Lovegevity.
Share the Lovegevity.